Good morning, folks, and welcome to the pre-market insight for January 8, 2019. We have had an insane last 14 hours. Let's get to the charts. We're looking at a chart at the ES S&P 500, and for those of you who are non-active traders, you would have probably came home from work last evening, gone to bed, and woke up this morning, and the market is approximately up 5 points. But for those of us who are active traders and have positions on, and depending on our risk tolerance, are leaning one way or another, last night was particularly uncomfortable, whether you were short or you were long. Particularly uncomfortable because of the great volatility that we saw and the absolutely incredible snapback that we've had after this big downdraft last evening. So let's just take a look at the context and the market structure to see where we can piece together a way forward for today's session. So currently we've opened up just about 6 points up at 32.41, just on the underside of this range here, the bottom of this range here at 32.44. So very clearly, we need to see what and how price responds at 32.44. Are we going to just slice all the way through the range right back up to the top of the range here at 32.52? Or will we see a consolidation here at this 32, between 32.38 and 32.44 before we have an advance? Or will we, because of the uncertainty of last night, people be getting a bit more nervous, becoming a bit more anxious? Because had this gap down held into this morning, I'm telling you, a lot of people would have been down a lot of money. And so, given the fact that we bounced up, I think that the benefit of the Dow definitely has to go to the bulls here. So I would expect 32.34 to hold in today's session, given the fact that we again paused here last night as we came up from the underside and we've now convincingly broken through on a bullish engulfing. So I think that the benefit of the Dow definitely has to go to the bulls, but given the uncertainty that's in market environment, I would say tread very lightly or be very nimble with your intraday positions. On the downside, if we do break through 32.34, then very easily we can see 32.20 once more, and provided that 32.20 breaks, well, look out below once more. We have 32, just a small region at 32.07, and then open skies back down to retest this 31.80 that we made, the overnight low from last night. Keep it simple, smarty. Before you go gung-ho today, ensure that you have your defined risk, your how much you're willing to lose, how much you're willing to put out to the market's whims and fancy this morning. Be safe out there today, guys.